So we found ourselves in Brazil, in Salvador, cruising up the Brazilian coastline on our 39-foot monohull. Salvador was absolutely amazing. The first couple of encounters with the local people were very, very interesting for us because this was a culture that we didn't know at all. So the first encounter, we came across a couple of kids, and they quickly asked aonde. Brazilians are extremely friendly people, and that means where from. So I went Africa do Sur, and they went no preto, no preto, and that means no, you can't be from South Africa because you're not black, and that was quite astonishing. And from a psychological point of view, it just shows us that the perceptions and beliefs that we grow up with, it is easy to get stuck into those. And even if the truth stares you in the face, you always fall back on those perceptions and beliefs.